Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you guys are having an awesome day. We're going to be looking at the Bitcoin breakout that happened yesterday. Hope you guys had great positions. Insane move, honestly. $5,000. Hey, what's up, everybody? In terms of spread, we hit 40,500, just like right into the resistance. I'm going to post this in the Discord so we have more people joining. I feel like we haven't done one of these in a while. But we're back at it. So excited to be here with you guys. Just getting this up in the Discord as we speak. And then we'll get started. I'm impressed with that huge move by Bitcoin. Okay, post that in the Discord and let's go. So let's take a look at a few things, to be honest. Right now, we're sitting at resistance. Like if you didn't get into like a position and you're trying to get into position now, I don't want you to FOMO in because on the weekly, we're facing some resistance. I'm going to plot some resistance points on the weekly. And right now you can see we're right against that. So on the daily, let me note on the weekly as well. I love using the 4 and 9 moving average for buys, like if that's altcoins, whether that's altcoins or whether that's BTC itself. We're gonna get a flip, a golden cross, and you can see the last time we got a golden cross was right here. The price was about $11,000. So sometimes you get whipsaws, but it's all right because you don't lose so much, especially if you're just following the system. Like if you buy and sell just on the crosses, on the weekly, you're getting more of a longer time frame move, like more of a swing trade. So you're not doing more like frequent trades. You're just kind of waiting for the signals. So right here, you got the sell signal at 55K, which was pretty solid if you sold. And right now we're getting a buy. You can see like a lot of the wicks, a lot of bulls are buying up. As soon as you get anywhere in this like support area right here, it's getting bought up very quickly. There was a clear channel that was being traded for a good while right here, pulling into resistance, support. It was like scalper's paradise. So going into resistance right now, we're also getting a weekly crossover on the 4 and 9 MA. So that is a buy signal for me. I'll start looking for some buys. Right now, I don't want to chase the price. I'll look for a pullback. If I can get a pullback, 36K, 35K, I'll look for something like that. So on the daily, we have the crossover. You got that about 32K. I wanted to note this on the RSI as well because this is huge. So on the is it the daily? Yeah, right here. You can see this is the RSI, and I posted this in the Discord. And I said, as soon as this breaks out right here, we're going to get a large move. And this actually broke out on 21st of July. So you can see that the 21st of July, even if you missed this huge move right here, so this is the channel I'm talking about. If we just remove the drawings right now and we draw a quick channel for the people that don't see it. So this channel we can do from right here, and then we can do this right here as well. So, and I'll put this in red. And we'll have the text resistance support. So resistance support. And you can see every time it gets in here, you're getting very awesome buys. Like this is like a hammer, huge bullish engulfing with that weekly MA crossing as well. So like even if you missed this buy right here, like check this out on the daily. This huge downtrend just got broken. This RS from the start of the year 2021, January, this huge RSI downtrend just got broken out. So on the 21st, that would have been an awesome buy. That you have followed by the RSI, you have the bullish engulfing on the daily, and you have the bullish crossover on the 9 and 4. So, and not only that, you're like right in the support. This would have been an awesome buying area. And a thing to take note is every time it smashes into resistance and support, it gets weaker and weaker. So if we keep trying to break this, then I'm thinking we're going to break this in no time. So if we just look at the kind of trend line right here, we kind of broke it. We had the deviation right here, but you can see however we draw this, we broke the downtrend in my opinion. So we have some overhead resistance is what I like to call it, that we are approaching for Bitcoin. So we might, we still have to clear this area. Once we clear this area, this prior high right here and this high right here. So let me put it about to right there. Once you clear this high, then I'm looking at the next areas of interest, which if I go on the weekly, I can pinpoint them. So this is one at 45K is a huge one for me. And then 41K. And I want to, and just let me go back on the daily. I want to look at places that it could potentially reach. So it's like right here would be would is what I would be eyeing, to be honest. And it's a strong move. Like we can really get it. Bitcoin, that breakout was large. Like I missed the long, to be honest. So I won't chase. I'll wait for the retrace. Like if this was resistance, you can do the same sort of thing as well. If this was resistance, we could take it from the low here, the fibs from the low point to the high point. So if this was the resistance and it didn't continue, then I'll look like I'll look for a pullback. Um, as far as I can get it, to be honest. I would be a little bit worried if we, retraced all the way back to the low right here, but doesn't look like that. We broke right above the there's like a medium. I posted this chart a few times, but there was kind of like a median. You can see we broke right above that too. So like not only did we have like huge buying pressure here, we treated this line as support very nicely right here, resistance right here. We broke down, and then like with no friggin' effort, we just broke through that. So I'm looking for us to break this right here, and then we start moving our way up to the real area, in my opinion, like where we dropped a lot of coins on the market. We've seen a lot of reaccumulations and change of hand for the coins. So I think like this area is what we really need to break. This right here. And once we break above that, then I am confident that we will keep moving up. I didn't think that we were ever going to like move into a bear market this early into this year and this cheap. I thought we were going to keep moving on. So I'm definitely looking for this to break. I'll wait for a pullback to enter. There's a lot of strength in here. Whatever the trend was, in my opinion, I think it was broken on the daily, on the 4-hour. If we look at the MSR, you also have, that was an awesome buy, which I noted here. Like this is an awesome buy. Posted that in the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, make sure to join for multiple reasons so you don't miss out on any news, giveaways, and trades when you post them. So this downtrend was broken. This on the daily RSI was broken, as I've drawn it multiple times from 2021. Actually, right here, I zoomed up a little bit too far. So that's broken. This was broken. We're still on the longer time frame, long on MSR. So this was just like usual, an awesome buying area. If you look at smaller time frames, anytime it comes into the moving averages while it holds, it's an awesome buying area. So I can show you multiple times, like right here, awesome buying area, awesome buying area. And that's when like most people start to panic, like comes into under the moving averages, and when we're still holding that larger time frame move, they're awesome buy areas. So hope you guys don't really like FOMO into it. Just wait a little bit. We moved hard into resistance. So, people taking profits or people exiting, that's still normal. So stay patient. Don't FOMO in. I wanted to touch on Bitcoin dominance as well. It looks like we are about to break this area right here, which is resistance. All of this right here, I should have just drawn a friggin' line, to be honest. But like you can see right there, we're about to, bust into resistance. And I think we'll break through. And I think Bitcoin's going to really take a lot of juice out of the alts. We'll bust through the 53%, which will pull back a lot of money into Bitcoin's alts market, into its own market cap. And then we'll maybe come back down, and then Bitcoin will keep trending up. And I think alts will follow. Like usually what happens when we see in the market is like Bitcoin moves, then Ethereum moves, then like, mid cap, small cap, and then random like niche fad markets or NFTs or whatever. NFT markets have been doing really well, to be honest, from what I've seen. So that's like pretty much it. I just wanted to share my outlook on Bitcoin right now. If you're not in a long position, I would just stay holding, stay patient, wait for some sort of pullback. I wouldn't just long in like major resistance right now. There's still a lot of like confusion in the market, and a lot of people are afraid that we are just going to keep going down. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to do like a quick live on Bitcoin. I am going to be delivering more videos pretty much every day. That's the plan. And if you haven't noticed, like we've been doing shorts, so you can check out the reels on Instagram, or even check out the shorts on the YouTube channel if you just go to all the videos and check them out. So if you guys ever have any questions, let me know. I'm going to be heading out to Panama in the next 5 days. If you're around there, let me know. If anything crypto's happening in your city, let us know, and Blockchain Academics will roll by. Thank you guys.